Yo, you missed me? Some of you do. Today we're going to check out one place that we've checked out 1 or 2 years ago. It was a military base. Here you can see the full video here, but we found a hidden bunker on the military base. The problem was the bunker was sealed, and we saw a security booth with some documents saying the day that we were in, somebody has checked here. So the plan is find the bunker and try to open it. We have time. I really love how green and beautiful it is, because last time we were here it was summer. Everything was dried up and ugly. So the plan for now is to check out the base, find the bunker, open it, explore, and yeah, really beautiful. Green. And yeah.
И другото. Окей. Достатъчно. Извинявай. Сори. Стига, толкова достатъчно.
Чакай.
Wow. Okay. What up?
I was expecting it to be more preserved, honestly.
Well, it's fine though.
I think it's just for hiding. Yeah, I think this is just for hiding. If there was an attack, nothing major.
Well, we shouldn't expect more than that, I guess.
I mean, yeah.
But honestly,
Oh, there's stairs going up.
let's check this thing. It's just wooden. Whoa. Okay, that's strange. So, whoa. Okay, that's disturbing.
Yeah.
And this the emergency exits, I guess. Whoa. Блин. Дали? Okay, that's another emergency exit, which is permanently close. Идвам.
So it continues.
Whoa. Okay, there are some. Whoa. Okay, and there is a toilet, maybe.
No, we just passed the toilet. Some shelves, documents, some birds. Birds died here. I think this is just a bomb shelter.
Yeah,
From attacks. Nothing
probably.
major.
Okay, that's a pretty cool toilet.
Big ass.
What? Don't tell me we could.
We could go from here, right?
Or could we?
Let's see.
What even is that? Oh, that's an emergency exit from.
Yeah, but no ladder.
Yeah, I remember this door. Shit. Well,
At least it's bigger than we expected. So, I'm honestly kind of disappointed, but at the same time, I expected it to be like this. I mean, what should we expect? It's an old ass bunker. Okay, bro. Well, that was a quick exploration. I thought that we were going to see something bigger, something better. But I have a couple of places in mind for next video. Let's see if I can show you. It's a quick one. Thanks for watching, and we're going to take some pictures, and yeah, we continue to the next spot.